Hey Besties, it's your girl Chrissy from Luxx Events. If you are getting married in 2026 or 2027, this is for you. What's happening in the city of Toronto? Next weekend, January 16th through to the 18th at the Metro Toronto Convention Center, we have the largest wedding expo in Canada. That is the Canadian Bridal Expo. Make sure you check that out. I will have information down below in the description box. Next up, we have the wedding show is February 8th, and that is at the Hyatt Regency in Toronto. Then we have the Canadian Wedding Expo. That is April 12th, and that is at the Chelsea Hotel in Toronto. Make sure you go and check these out. These are just three of the largest ones that we have this in the next few months. There are many other little ones happening within and around the city. Make sure you check those out. Invite a friend with you, someone from your bridal party, your fiance, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, if you want to get married and you're trying to hint, hint, nudge, nudge them in the right direction. This is the place for you to be when you are attending. Make sure that you are confirming your date that you're going, if it is a multiple dates, because if you have a ticket for the 16th and you try to get in on the 17th, guess what? No go. All right. Make sure you check out the dates. Make sure you purchase your tickets from the actual sites themselves and not third party unless they recommend that you do it that way. We don't want you to get scammed in 2026. We also want you to check out the vendor list. See who's there. That gives you a guide as to who you want to see. Photographers, rental companies, coordinators, decor specialists, florists. Everyone is going to be there. Make sure that you're there too. Have a great one. Bye for now.